Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a Pokeball starter house. Here are all of the materials that we will need throughout the build. Begin by placing 3 smooth quartz blocks in a row on the ground. 1, 2, 3. Then, place an additional block back and to the right. Extend back by 1. Place another back and to the left. Extend left by 2. 1, 2. Then place another forwards and left. And then connect back to where we first started, like this. So what we now want to do is extend the left and right sides up an additional row, like so. Then extend those rows forwards and backwards, each by 1. The idea is that we now want to place a row of smooth quartz block that will join these 2 rows together, except the row of smooth quartz is placed diagonally outwards, like this. We then want to place a layer of black concrete on top of the smooth quartz block, like so. Then add a layer of red concrete on top of the black, all the way around. Then we want to add a layer of red concrete that is above and covers up all of the empty space that we have at the top of our house, like so. Then, on the front of your house, place a block of iron in front of the center black concrete, like this. On the back of the house, we now want to make the entrance, so we are going to tunnel into the ball, like this. We then will replace the floor on the inside. I am using smooth quartz to do this. Then, we're going to place a backwards placed iron door, like this, inside of the actual house. That will allow us to place a weighted pressure plate directly behind the door, and of course to get in we will also need one, unless you want to have a button or something similar. So this will allow us to get in and out. Inside of the house, we are going to stack up smooth quartz block left and right of the door with a set of ladders on the left side here. We're then going to place a string in front of the top of the door and then place white carpet on top of the ladder smooth quartz and on top of the string, like so. Then, for the rest of the build, I'm going to recommend actually shortening the front of your house. So, I quite like it to have a smooth wall like this. So, I'm actually going to shrink this and turn it into a little bit more of a confined area. Something to consider is adding a light source inside of our house. My recommendation would be to knock out the center of the roof of the Pokeball. Replace it with a sea lantern. This will provide enough light. And if you want to add a red carpet on top of that block, just so that it's a little bit less striking from the top. I know that it still stands out, but it's not as bad. Anyway, it's time to decorate. First of all, I want to place a bed suspended in the air above this alcove on the left side of the house. So, place some side blocks, a bed on top. Perfect. Then in the alcove, I want a 1x2 painting at the top. I'm thinking of that one right there. That is perfect. And then a chest, furnace, stick a flower pot on top of the furnace, and I'm going to stick a poppy in there because it's my favourite. Then, upstairs, we are going to place an armor stand at the foot of the bed with a couple of item frames above the bed. I'm going to outfit these item frames with an iron sword and a bow because why not? Now, for the armor stand, we are going to outfit it with some armor. I specifically want to emulate Ash's outfit from the original show. So I'm going for a red leather cap, and then a blue jacket, then light blue jeans, and he has kind of like a black/white trainer or sneaker, however you want to say it, which we can't really emulate, so we'll just go for netherite boots. Or if you were so inclined, white boots. It's up to you. Outfit the armor stand with the outfit. I think that I'm going to go for the white shoes, but again, black would also be sufficient. And there we go, Pokeball Starter House. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please do remember to like and subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.